Hello and welcome. I would like to invite you to a sacred workshop. It's a turning point, called an inflection point in your life, where you'll learn who you are and you'll learn who you're not. And you're not programming or conditioning. You're not the blocks that's keeping you from being centered and balanced. You are your divine one within. And this is where peace resides. Calmness in the chaos of this world. The characteristics of that divine within are love, light in the moment of service, and neutrality. Neutrality. Silent observation of everything that's coming out of you and everything that's coming out of everybody else. You'll learn how to protect yourself from other people's energy, dense energy, and then you'll be able to absorb more positive energy, more positive vibrations, which will enhance your protection. These are intrinsic characteristics, all of our gifts and talents and abilities, lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. Intrusive energies are on the outside, but everything is in here. Our freedom, our peace, our happiness, our serenity, our fulfillment, etc. All those wonderful things that we think we are, that we have a feeling that we are. We have claircognizance, that's an inner visionary channel that knows that we are. So you're going to get techniques that will expand your awareness of who you really are. You'll be able to eliminate have a realization of our ancestors and how they hang on to us. I'll be working on you directly to eliminate intrusive energies and intrusive entities. And maybe even cut cords from your ancestors. Or you cut cords from who you are attached to in this lifetime, that you don't want to be attached to anymore. So, if this workshop is enticing to you, please consider it, I beg you. I'm not begging, but it would be highly beneficial for you to consider it. I love you. Never forget that. I love everyone. And I've been called to do this workshop. And I take that call with reverence and humility. You'll have a realization of what your true power is. And true power, spiritually speaking, is not strength. Spiritually speaking, true power is gentleness, compassion, kindness, humility, inspiration, gratitude, and the list goes on. This is true power. So again, if this workshop even entices you a little bit, then follow that. Because this is your spirit speaking to you. And we're limiting this workshop to 12 so that everybody has their own individualized support and realization along the way. So if you sign up for it and it's sold out already, then get on the waiting list. Because the next workshop, that's who we'll call first. I honor you. I love you more than you know. Words fall short in that regard. Namaste.